In this module, we learned about ecological communities, which are made up of populations of different species that live in the same area and they interact together. We also learned about the dangers that are facing bees and the important role that pollinators play in keeping ecological communities alive. We learned about the feeding relationships that exist among the members of ecological communities. These members can be seen on different trophic levels of food chains as producers, primary or secondary consumers. Together, all of the food chains that exist within these communities form a food web. Some members of these communities find themselves in mutualistic relationships where both species benefit. Some are in parasitic relationships where only one species benefits while the other is harmed. And since each species needs certain resources to survive, then this leads to competition among species. And these are species that require the same kinds of resources. So if these resources can't be divided up, then one of the species will outcompete the other. Which brings me to the lab that we completed where the group members saw that the paramecium can feed off of rice, but only thrive if they have enough food and space, which are the resources that they need in order to beat their competition. And we saw that the results showed P. aurelia was able to multiply more because they were better at competing for resources within their niche.